Bill Gowdy checking in. That is my Coleman lineup right there. I got one more lantern that I've not used. I just have it on display, and I'll have to bring it out for you. It's older than the hills. It's older than all these put together. It surely is. And I think this, I know this, I had this in the 70s, in the late 70s. So what the year is on that, I don't know. But yeah. She got a bee over there. She gets it before it stings her. It might sting her, I don't know, but she growls at it and kills it. She doesn't like the buzzing. There you go, Calvin. Yeah, I want to say the 5 P's, prior proper planning. Yeah. Vintage Coleman lantern, that's for darn sure. It works good. There you go, Liberty Rogue. That's my LP Coleman lantern. This is one of my old Coleman, just regular Coleman fuel lantern. This is my Coleman dual fuel. This is another one of my old Coleman, regular Coleman fuel lanterns. Liberty Rogue and Calvin. Calvin's Corner 72. They're the ones that inspired me. I'm thinking that one there might need a generator. It's not quite burning right yet. It's a little dirty maybe. But all the rest look pretty good. Now I'm anxious to see after dark. Yeah, well, that's 4 of them. I got an old Coleman stove down here I need to get going. I haven't used it in a long time. I've had it for many years. I know it since the 70s. Look at that, will you? I bought that new sometime in the 70s, maybe 78, I think, 1978. Still works fine. It's dirty, yeah, it needs to be cleaned up, but you know, it brings back memories. You know, I can't tell you how many times I've cooked things on that. Oh, I had a motorcycle, and I went to, I left this area in February. It was nice. Nice, being 50 degrees. And I went straight south, right down to New Orleans. And I went around the Gulf Coast, went into Florida. I was gone over a month. I took this camp stove with me. I tell you, I depended on it. I really did. I did a lot of cooking on this stove over the years. I don't even know what model it is. It says it's patented. Tells you how to light the burners and all that kind of stuff. There you go. You can see it. There you go, Calvin. There you go, Liberty Rogue. Both burners. Yeah, works good as new. Maybe better. Yeah, it's needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but by golly, I'm happy. Haven't used that in years. I don't know if you've ever been to the Coleman outlet in Wichita, Kansas. Every time I run into a Coleman store, I was in Seaverville, Tennessee, down there at the Knife Works, and there was a Coleman outlet there. I was headed to Florida, and I went down around the Gulf Coast, and I was in Alabama. Gulf Shores? Near Gulf Shores, Alabama, and there was a Coleman store there. But the one in Wichita, they have a museum, they have all kinds of stuff there. And if you're ever in and around the Wichita area, I highly recommend stopping in at the Coleman store. Yeah, there's all kinds of bargains and all kinds of neat stuff, and you're going to see things just like this. You're going to see lanterns. You're going to see lanterns just like I have. Yeah, I have a lot of the stuff that's in their museum. I surely do. And of course they got new stuff too. There you go, Calvin and Liberty Rogue Outdoors. That's my couple of my Coleman lanterns and my Coleman stove. Let's heat up some already previously cooked bluegills. I'm gonna have a bluegill sandwich, fish sandwich. You can't beat it, I'm telling you. This is some of my Coleman stuff, and I got more. Man, I got Coleman tents, I got coolers. Yeah, I'm a walking Coleman store, I'm afraid. Listen, I got things to do. I'm going to let you go. Bill Gowdy out. Thanks for watching.